Hello everyone, this is Muad from JB Academy. Today's session I will talk about lesson 4.1 in grade 6, integers on the coordinate plane. In this lesson I will talk about how to graph some points on the coordinate plane and what's the ordered pair of a given points. Here this is the coordinate plane. It consists of x-axis intersecting with y-axis at the point we call it the origin. Here the x positive, here the x negative, here the y positive, and here the y negative. In this lesson you will learn two questions or two main concepts. If you are given some points or some ordered pairs and you want to graph and label them on the coordinate plane. Here I will give you some points here, graph and label these points. If I give you C, for example, -3, 7, or -3, 4, and D, 1, 5. Of course, the coordinate plane has 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Quadrant 4. These 4 quadrants. Here we will now show you how to graph some points and label them on the coordinate plane. Here we start. The point or the order pair C, -3, 4. So I start at the origin. This the x coordinate and this the y coordinate. This x coordinate take me left or right, and the y coordinate take me up or down. So what's the x coordinate is -3. So from the origin I go to the left because it is -3 units to the left. Then the y coordinate is 4. 4 is positive, so it takes me up 4 units. So here I label C. I put dot, then I label C. It is very easy. Another point, then he asks you in which quadrant this point. It's in a quadrant 2. Another example, D, 1, 5. As you can see, 1, this is the x coordinate, and this is the y coordinate. Now the x coordinate is 1. So I move to the right because it's positive, 1. And the y coordinate is 5. It's positive, so I go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I put dot and I label D. Another example, F, which is -2, -3. So to label this point, I start always from the origin. Now what's the x coordinate is -2, so I go left. 1, 2, here -2. Now the y coordinate is -3, so I go down 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Here I put a dot and I label F. That's it. Now the other question is what is the ordered pair of points A and B. For example, he will label some points, for example A here and B here. I want the ordered pair for A and B, so I write A brackets B brackets like this. Now I want to know the x coordinate for A and the y coordinate for A. To find the x coordinate, I draw perpendicular line to the x-axis and where it intersected at 3 positive. So the x coordinate is 3. And the y coordinate, I draw perpendicular line on the y coordinate. Here it meets the y coordinate, the y axis at -3. Now another example, B. So I want the x-axis and the y. When he asks me find the ordered pair of a point, I need to find the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate of this point. So from B, I go to the x-axis, where it meets it. It intersects the x-axis at -4. And I draw perpendicular line on the y-axis. It intersects the y-axis at 2, positive. That's all about our lesson. If you like the video, press like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.